How to stop coughing. You can find all 3 items in the link on the description. The first thing I do when I feel and I know I'm having a cough coming and phlegm is coming with the cough, the first thing I do is I buy radish and I consume radish. What I do is daily I try to eat, and I eat 4 radish a day. No less than 4 whole radish a day. And sometimes I chop up the 4 radish a day, into small pieces, 4 of them. You can eat it as a salad, or you can eat it just whole. You can eat it without any seasoning, or you can eat it with salt, or you can eat it with salt, vinegar, and oil. But what the radish does, it helps with the coughing, also helps with the phlegm that comes with the coughing. If you have a lot of phlegm or any phlegm that's building up, eating the radish daily for no less than 4 days will help you decrease and heal and get rid of the phlegm building up when you have a cough and you're coughing. So radish is the first thing that I buy and I consume and I eat when I have a cough coming and phlegm is building up. The second thing that I consume and I buy to stop coughing is Sepacol Extra Strength. Sepacol Extra Strength. This helps with sore throat and irritation, but it also helps with when you have coughing, because your sore throat irritates you and it causes you to cough. So this helps with the coughing. And what I do is I take 2-3 tablets throughout the day, and it helps with my throat and the coughing and the sore throat. Obviously, you want to read the directions in the back to make sure that you are taking the recommended amount. And if you are allergic to this, do not take this. Find something else for sore throat that you can take. Also, if you have any questions, I suggest that you talk to your primary doctors and ask them any questions in regards to this medication, over-the-counter medication. But Sepacol Extra Strength helps when you have a cough. It helps you stop with the cough. Also helps with sore throat, because when you have your throat is sore, it irritates and it causes you to cough more. The third thing that I use to stop coughing is Theraflu Express Max Nighttime Severe Cold and Cough. This helps me when I have a cough. I take it at night before I go to sleep, and when I'm sleeping, it helps me heal my body, and it helps me with my cough, it helps me with the phlegm, it helps me with a lot of things, and this product is really good. So I use Theraflu Express Mask. I take it at night. I take the recommended amount that is noted on the back of the bottle or the box. So I suggest you take the recommended amount. If you are allergic to this product, I suggest you do not take this product. And if you have any questions, I suggest you talk to your primary doctor. So Theraflu Express Mask, Severe Cold and Cough Nighttime. I use this to stop coughing. And the last thing I use to stop a cough is thyme. Taking all these 3 items, it's not gonna heal the coughing and the phlegm and the irritation and everything else in one day and in one sitting. You gotta give it time, at least 4 days. At least 4 days before you see an improvement. Usually you'll see a quick improvement, but at least give it 4 days. But if you take the radish, minimum of 4 days, 4 radish daily. The Sepacol extra strength, 2 to 3 tablets throughout the day, and Theraflu Express Max severe cold and cough nighttime, 1 before you go to sleep. You will see how your cough will stop and your phlegm will heal, and everything will get better.